So the next question. So be very careful. If whenever theta is constant, slope is constant, then v is constant, acceleration is 0. When displacement versus time graph. If it is decreasing also, see that downwards graph. Then also theta is remains constant. So theta is constant, v is constant, a become what? 0. Clear? Understood?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah. So now next graph is, be very careful. The graph is this is what my graph. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please. And particularly at midpoint, slope is equals to what? It is parallel to what? It is parallel to. It is parallel to what, guys?
T.
Parallel to what? X-axis. Then slope is equals to what? Parallel to X-axis means we already studied.
A equal to 0.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
parallel to
Parallel to X-axis, correct, brothers? Yes or no? T.
sir, perpendicular to X.
At this point alone, brothers, this is
Yes, sir.
increasing, this is increasing, this is parallel, this is decreasing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then slope is 0. So slope is 0 means v is equals to what? V
Z.
is equals to 0.
0.
Okay. Now what is this curve actually? Concave upwards or concave downwards?
Concave downwards.
Downward.
Concave downwards. Now, so find this the graph, suitable graph representing this motion of a body. Okay, I will draw the graph, but you should be verified, be very careful. 100% people will commit the mistake. So that mistake should not come. So let me see who will solve. Okay, be very careful. This is graph 1. Next, graph 2. Graph 2. Graph 2. Is it okay? Yes, please. Next, graph C. Graph 3. Check it, everybody. Graph 3. Option D. So V versus negative. This is. So which option is the correct option? I'm giving 2 minutes time. Let me see who will find first. You cannot make anything unless you are clear with the concept. Let me see who will find.
Sir, D.
That is why think and solve. Namesake don't solve. First to find sign convention, because one side increasing, one side decreasing. You have to find sign conventions. Both are positive. Both are same sign, increasing. Both are opposite sign, decreasing. That is what you have to verify. Okay. So please make it.
C.
Sir, A, sir.
Yeah. No.
Sir.
How? Yeah. Yeah, please. All of you respond. No response. Will you start? So here 2 points you have to observe. So as we know that, be very careful. For those here slope is equals to 0, then v equals to also what? 0. Clear?
0.
Now I want to draw a tangent at this point. Now be very careful and tell me, because here I have to draw the tangent. Is it possible to draw inside or outside tangent? Inside or outside? Outside only. Correct. And for this graph I will draw tangent here. So let me take 2 tangents with the help of proper your according to perfectly will draw. Let it be. So I will draw the tangent. Now tell me which is theta is less than 1 and which is theta is greater than 1. You should be able to identify. Okay, this is the first thing. So now tell me theta is less than 1 or theta is greater than 1. Let me draw one more also. This point. Theta is less than 1 and theta is greater than 1. Which is where it is. Everybody should respond. All of you. Here theta is what? Theta is less than 1 or greater than 1. Sorry, 90, not 1. Theta is less than or greater than 90. Everybody.
Less.
No response. And here theta is what? Here theta is greater than 90 and here theta is what?
Less than 90.
Theta is less than 90. So here theta is less than 90 means V is positive or negative? V is what? Positive.
Negative.
But theta is less than 90, brothers. V is negative or positive?
Yes.
Negative. Then, but A is what? It is at concave downwards. Then A is what? Negative or positive?
Negative.
It is what? Negative. Means in the sense of opposite signs. Means speed is decreasing or increasing?
Decrease.
Speed decreases. Next here, theta is greater than 90. Means V is negative or positive? V is positive. And it is a concave downwards. Means A is equals to also what? A is
Negative.
equals to also what? Everybody? Negative. Means. Then tell me. Then tell me. It is what? Same sign. Speed is increasing or
increase.
decreasing? All of you. Speed increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Speed increasing. And next one, speed, first one is speed decreasing. Now you tell me, so which is answer, correct answer? First one speed decreases and next one speed increases. So can you tell me, but it is negative. Be very careful. These both are negative. Here V is positive and A is negative. Can you tell me, V is positive, A is negative, here both are negative. Then which is the correct suitable graph? First speed is decreasing, next speed is increasing. Anybody? Just now I have drawn both upward curves. Have you noticed it, Rudreshwar? This graph and this graph both are same. Yes or no? This is in this way increasing speed and this way in this way increasing speed. Just axis is changing. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
If I draw in
Sir.
this case, if I draw like this is decreasing speed. In this case, if I draw like this, downwards, this is increasing speed. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, based upon this, what is the correct graph? What is the correct graph? First V is decreasing, speed is decreasing, brothers. Speed is decreasing means maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum. Speed is decreasing. Speed is decreasing. Maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum.
Maximum to minimum.
Maximum to minimum.
Maximum.
And V is positive or negative? V is
Negative.
positive or negative? Ma, V where am I positive?
Positive.
V where am I negative? Tell me, V where is negative? Theta is less than 0 means V is negative.
Positive.
Theta is positive. So plus Y. This is plus Y. And downwards is what? Downwards is what? Minus Y. Means this is minus V and this is plus V. Will you accept it, everybody? Please, at least that is respond. V is positive here and V is negative here. Is it okay, wa? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now, V is positive but acceleration is decreasing. Means what is the graph will come? V is positive but acceleration is decreasing. This is the graph. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes, please. All of you. I'm shouting, you people, nothing responding, senseless always.
Yes, sir.
What, yes, sir? You should speak. V is positive, but acceleration is negative. Means acceleration is decreasing. So that body is downwards. And finally, here slope is 0. Means speed is 0. So at x-axis, it reaches to 0 point. So that here speed is become what? Speed become what? 0. Next,
0.
from this point, velocity is minus, acceleration is equals to also minus. So both are going in a reverse. So V is minus direction and A is equals to also minus direction. Means it will go to which axis? It will go to the fourth coordinate. Yes or no?
Fourth quadrant.
Purima, Puriyada.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, not understood or not, I want it. Clear? What is the correct answer now?
B, sir.
B.
C.
Again, say B means what, brothers? May I explain once again, brothers?
Sir.
First observe. Here, I want to draw a tangent. I have drawn a tangent. Now tell me theta is less than 90 or greater than 90?
Less than it.
Less than 90. Less than 90 means V positive or negative?
Positive.
V positive. But it is a downward curve. Downwards. Concave downwards. Means what? Acceleration is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. So see, V is positive, but acceleration is negative. Means if I represent the graph, how it will come graph? V is positive, but acceleration is negative. Means it will coming towards to the 0. Yes or no? Towards the x-axis. Clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Here V is positive. Well, simply saying yes sir. Nothing understanding. I know very well. And A is negative. So this is a graph. Correct? And finally, at this point, slope is 0. Slope is 0. Slope is 0 means v is equals to also 0. Means now body is at where? Body is at x-axis. Will you accept it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Next here, I draw a tangent. Theta is greater than 90. Theta is greater than 90 means v is negative or positive? Theta is greater than 90.
Negative.
Negative. A, and it is a downward curve. Downward curve means A is also what?
Acceleration negative.
Acceleration is also negative. Both are same sign. So same sign means what? Same sign.
Speed
Speed
increases.
increases or decreases? Speed is increased. But it is a what sign? Negative sign or positive sign?
Negative sign.
Negative sign. So speed is increases, but it is negative sign. Means it is only. Is it yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now you combine that both the graphs. So what is the correct answer? Mr. Rudreshwar, understood or not? Here, this is increasing speed in a positive way. Keep it in mind. If both are V is positive and V is positive and A is equals to also positive. Clear? Now you remember, V is positive, A is positive. Graph will come like this. V is negative and A is equals to also. V is equals to negative, A is equals to also negative. Then here also speed is increases. Both the cases speed is increases, but graph will come what direction? Everybody, minus
Fourth
direction.
order.
Understand? Fourth coordinate. Clear? At least that you remember. So now I will say make 4 conditions. V is equals to positive and A is equals to also positive. Then the graph will come increasing. Now speed is increases. Speed increases or decreases? Both are same sign. Increases. Now V is negative. A is equals to also negative. Now also speed increases or decreases? Adi theriyuma theriyada?
Increase.
Increases. Then the V is negative. So the graph will come downwards. Now V is positive and A is negative. A is negative. Then speed decreases or increases? Everybody.
Decrease.
Speed decreases. Then the graph will come like this. Purima? Yes or no? Then V is negative but A is positive. V is negative but A is positive. Then the graph will come like this. Keep it in mind. Okay, Rudreswa? Understood? Say at least.
Sir.
Okay, Pradosh?
Understood.
So that is what. Now you tell me what is the correct answer? Option C. Will you all accept it or not? V is positive but A
Yes,
is
sir.
negative. Next, V is also negative, A is equals to also negative. So body is increasing. Is it okay? Clear?
Sir.
Next. Next graph. Pradosh, you understood or not? Can I explain once more?
No, sir. Understood.
That is, you have to be very thinking, Pradosh. It's not the normal thing. Now you are in 11th, things are not easy. Everything is very, very tough. Unless your mind is completely free and it is having enough space to accept the things. Otherwise, you people cannot learn anything. Now here, only 3 places V is 0. Can you tell me what is the places? V is 0. At this point, it is parallel to x-axis. So V is equals to what? 0. At this
Zero.
point, again,
V is equal to zero.
A is equals to, here also V is equals to 0 because
Zero.
x-axis. And here at this point also V is equals to,
Zero.
V is equals to 0. Okay, wow? Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next very important thing. This is the most important thing. All of you remember. For example, body is in circular motion. Be very careful. Body is in what motion? Body is in circular motion, for example. Okay. So now let me take 2 points. I'll take 2 points. See that this point and this point both are coinciding. Yes or no? Yes. Time axis.
Sure.
Time axis, if I'll extend to those, both points will get the same time or different time?
Same time.
Same time. Of course, I want to extend it this side, I can extend it. And here also, if I extend it, I can extend it this one. Now you tell me. So let me take it here also, I want it. So here, if I verify it, so you can see that same, you can see that 2 places at a time is coinciding. For this point also, time is same, and this point is also time is same. Yes or no? Suppose if I take this point and this point, now for this also time is what? Coinciding. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So is it possible to stay at a time 2 different positions? Yes.
No, sir.
Rudeshwar, see that for this point also, time is same. For this point is also time is same. Now I am asking for example. Now you tell me, is it possible to make it at a time two places in the same time? Is it
No,
possible?
sir.
No. So when it is in a circular motion, be very careful. We people will get two places at a time. At a time, is it possible or not possible? All of you.
Not possible.
Not possible. So only how many times it will possible? Only at one place. Only at one place in a given time. Is it okay, Rudreshwar? Why I am saying? So for this one we cannot represent. Are you clear what I am saying?
Yes.
For this one we cannot represent because it is a circular motion. So what will happen? It is not possible to represent because at a given time body is exhibiting how many positions? Two different positions.
Two.
Are you clear? At the same time, at a same given time, body is at two different positions. Is it possible in a real life? Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Pradosh?
Sir.
Next graph. If the graph is like this, now you tell me theta is same or different. That is what my question. If the graph is like this, now tell me theta is same or different. Theta is constant or variable? Here I will verify.
Constant.
Theta.
Constant.
Here also I will verify. Theta. Here also I will verify. Theta. Here also I will verify. Same or different at every point?
Constant.
Constant. Understood? Mahalakshmi, Ishali, never responds. Okay. So theta is constant. So if theta is constant means then V is constant. V is equals to constant. V is constant means acceleration become what?
0.
0. Clear? Understood? Next. If I represent like this, these graphs and all very, very important when we are solving the numericals. If theta is represented like this, V is positive or negative? V is equals to positive or negative? Positive. Okay. If theta is here and V is here and the graph is representing here, now V is negative or positive?
Negative.
V is what, Amma? V is negative or positive? This is positive and this is what? Negative.
Negative.
Okay, that is
Negative.
what you remember. So in this case, V is positive. In this case, V is negative. Anyone having any doubt in this aspect till here? Okay, wa? I want to know. Yes, guys.
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
Till here, we are studying only displacement and time graph. Then tomorrow we'll study. What will study? Next, velocity time graph.
Velocity time.
And next after acceleration time graph. These things we'll study. Okay. So now I am saying you remember always displacement time graph will give you velocity. Velocity time graph will give you acceleration. Next, acceleration time graph will give you jerk. Okay. This is a new thing. We'll study that. It will give you the jerk. Okay. So that is the meaning of jerk. We'll find it. But everywhere what? Slope of ST graph will give you velocity. Slope of VT graph will give you acceleration. Slope of AT graph will give you what? Yes, please.
Jerk.
Jerk. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. Clear? So this is all about today's class. And tomorrow we'll start VT graph. And after that AT graph. Once it is over, then directly we'll go to numericals. We need to solve. It will take certain time. So once the numericals is over, after that we people will go to the next concept. That concept is only called as working against to gravity. Clear? So that is the most important concept. So that concept it will take more time also. Actually it is very, very important concept. Motion under the gravity. So uniform accelerated motion when we are working under gravity. Gravity means what? Thrown upwards and coming freely falling. Remember, thrown upwards and freely falling. So in this case we will apply this equations of motion and we'll study that. That is the most important concept where mostly the NEET and JEE questions will come. Okay, so let it be with this. I'll stop the today's class. I hope today's class is very clear for you. Is it okay, everybody? Can I believe? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Proceed till here, complete it. Any doubt anyone can ask me, or else you can leave from the meeting. Thank you, everybody.